Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and you're here to watch me open presents. Sabrina the Mismatch Crafter and I decided to do a gift exchange for 25 days of Christmas, and we have no idea. I've had my big box, a box of all the gifts from Sabrina for about 2 weeks, and she's had her box from me for about 3 weeks, and we've been staring at it. Well, I opened it the other day and put it all underneath my Christmas tree looking all pretty. I said, my grandson who's going to be here on Saturday is going to be like, oh, which one's mine? And then when I can say, they're all mine, he's going to be like, what? Because Coda will bug you and tell you and for the whole month of December if there's a gift under that tree to see which one's his. So usually I don't put anything underneath my tree until like maybe 3 days before. But back to why I'm here. So Sabrina and I came up with this goal doing 25 days of Christmas. So each day we'll open a gift from one another for the next 25 days. So this is December 1st. Yay! Funny thing is Sabrina's had my box from me for about 3 weeks. I've had hers for about 2 sitting here. And I'll be honest, I'm not a patient person when it comes to seeing a bunch of gifts and I just want to dig right in and open them all. But I didn't. I waited, and I did open the box Sunday, and I put them all underneath my Christmas tree. It looks really pretty. So I can just go out there and grab one every day. So today's the 1st. She does have some little bonus ones, and I figured, because she told me she had them numbered with these little snowflakes, and then she had one that says E, I guess, extra. So I thought for the first day, I'll open an extra one as well. So let's see. I have a feeling I know what these are, because I kind of poked through. Let's see. It's going to be fun. I told Sabrina don't take hers personally. Oh my god, I can paint them. Yes, 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 yes. I needed a couple more of these. Awesome. I'm going to put Scott and Tina. I'm going to paint them and put them on my tree. I do that today. It's awesome. Awesome. Thank you so much, Sabrina, for finding me 2 extras. So that's cool. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Now let's see. Oh no. Let's see. It feels like play jewelry. I mean, it could be anything. You know, down there. You don't know. I don't know. Let's see. No, this one's tricky. Double wrapper, that woman. Wow, she really got this one disguised. Still can't figure it out. Oh. They send me bugs and spiders. Because it could be anything, any holiday. Well, they're cool. Glittery spiders and creatures. More spiders. Them are cool. I couldn't figure that out through the package. I was like, I could feel this. I couldn't figure out what it was. Cool. Cool. These are cool. I don't know. Because she's like, does it have to be for Christmas? And I'm like, no. It can be just anything. You know, we kind of set the ground rules, and they're not even actually ground rules. Just, you know, anything $1. There's a couple things I went above because I said, and you're going to have to go up and watch Sabrina's videos for the next 30 days, 25 days, because my daughter said what I did was awesome. So she's like, so if it's Halloween? I'm like, if it's Halloween, go for it. I love Halloween anyways. These are cool. I like how the fact that they're not on a clip. They're just, yeah. Wow, next year already. Woohoo! Now I have to haul out my Halloween stuff for my Halloween anyway. No, that's alright. So thank you so much, Sabrina. She knew what I wanted. She knew I was looking for the sleds, so that's a bonus. Awesome sauce, guys. So check out tomorrow's video. You never know. And check out Sabrina's later today, too, on her channel. I will have her channel listed in the description box below. So awesome, awesome. I'm going to put these aside and paint these later. Put this in my little bin that I found because, you know what? I was cleaning the living room, and there's this basket stuck underneath my desk. I have a roll-top desk in my living room. I pull it out, and it's all the Halloween kits I did with the kids. So I also just got after Christmas, when I reorganize my closet, I'll put this stuff away. So I'll put these in there because they'll be put away because these are going to go on my tree. So thank you so much, Sabrina, and thanks for the spiders. At least it didn't jump out at me. That'd have been freaky. As always, guys, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.